Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where and when you are watching this video. So yeah, today we are going to be looking at a very important aspect of trading, guys. This is top-down analysis. You must have watched a lot of videos on top-down analysis, but I can guarantee you they are nothing compared to what you are going to see in this video. This is the best, the simplest top-down analysis you've ever came across. Guys, if you don't understand top-down analysis after watching this video, then I don't know. That means you have to work on, there's something you have to work on, right? So this is going to be the best top-down analysis. So without further ado, I would just want us to dive in straight up. So we'll be looking at a couple of currency pairs today. The first on the list would be AUDCAD. Like as you can see, we have a lot of I have a lot of currency pairs here. So we're looking at the AUDCAD, and in case I don't analyze your favorite pair today, just drop in the comment section and then I'll analyze it. Right. So yeah, today we are going to be looking at AUDCAD and maybe one other pair. So I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm not to bore you. Right. So now, what's the aim of a top-down analysis? Let's take for instance, you're in you're on the tallest building, like take for example Burj Khalifa, and then consider yourself as the one on the last floor. Now when you're on the last floor of the building, you see the general view, like the overview, you have the best view, right? And then because you're on the last floor, you have to pay more, right? Good. So what's the essence? When you're on the highest floor, you get to know what is happening, the views, right? You have a better view of the environment. So bringing it down to shading, right? When you are looking at the doing top-down analysis, you can look at it from the bird eye view, from the monthly down to your entry time frame. To have a better understanding of the market. What is the market doing, right? You can decide to start your top-down analysis from the monthly, the weekly, daily, 4 hour, depending on the type of trader you are, right? Depending on the type of trader you are. But today, for the sake of the analysis sake, I'm going to be taking you along from the monthly down to the entry time frame. We are going to stop on the 1 hour because that is where I execute my trade. I don't go anything lower than that. So yeah, this video is purposely going to be on top-down analysis, not entry. So if you want me to talk about the entry, how I enter my trade, just drop in the comment section, then I'll explain that. So now on the monthly, what you do once you open your chart, right, is to look at the current market price, guys, not what happens here. I don't care. In as much as what happened in the past is important to the market, I don't want to, like, this is 2020. Some person will go all the way back here. Yeah, for some persons it's good for them, but I want to look at what the market is doing now. And where is the market? The market is here. This is where the market is. So once I have known what the market is doing, I look at, okay, where is the market coming from? That is the question you ask yourself. First, you open your chart, you say, okay, where is the market? I say, okay, the market is here. This is where the market is. All right, I've established that. Good. So the second question, where is the market coming from? This move now, where is it coming from? It's coming from here. Good. So where is the third question? Where is this market heading to? Where is it going? Where is the next level this market is most likely going to. Note, it's not a must that the market has to go to that level, right? But we expect the market. You are saying, okay, according to the market movement, because the market move from external liquidity to internal liquidity, or support to resistance, right? So now the market is coming from up here. Where is the next level that could serve as a resistance or a support to the market? The reverse, potential reversal area, right? We have a support here that could serve as a reversal area. So, okay, you've answered the two questions. First, where is the market? The market is here. Second question, where is it coming from? It's coming from this resistance. Where can the market possibly go? We have a level here on the monthly time frame that the market could come to. Good. You've established that. Now, you mark your level. You can use either the horizontal ray or horizontal this drawing tool, right? Now you've marked your level on the monthly. So on the monthly now, the market will do two things now because you established that. It's either the market comes down here on the monthly, or it will reverse from here and go back here. These are the two things the market is good. One of these two things, the market will definitely do it. So now, this is the monthly time frame. We cannot execute a trade on the monthly time frame. So which is what will take us down to the lower time frames or to the other time frames to look at the behavior of the market. What is the market doing right now? So now we go down to our weekly time frame to look at what the weekly is doing. So before the market can go back to this level, there should be a level on the weekly that should be broken to tell us that, okay, the downward, the risk retracement or whatever is happening here is over and is going here. Because once we go to the weekly time frame, it's going to be a downtrend. So you go to your weekly time frame. What's the weekly time frame doing? Okay, on the weekly time frame, see that the market was doing something like this, right? You have this higher level, and then the market was doing something like this, and then broke and started giving us to this downside. So, like I said, on the monthly, we said it's either the market is coming down here, or it will reverse from here to the upside. And now, once you come to your weekly, you ask yourself that same question you asked on the monthly time frame. Where is the current market price? The current market price is here. Good. Where is it coming from? The market is coming down from this side. Where could this market possibly reverse from? We have a support, a resistance that could serve as a support here that will reverse market from here. So now we've reduced our range of focus from here to here or here to now from here. It's either the market do two things now. It's either it reverses from here or it breaks this one and come down all the way here. So now we have, this is where the market is now. Now you go down to your daily time frame to look at it. Okay, where is the market? What is the market doing now? You see that, okay, the market is coming down in the form of a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this is our last lower high. So now we've now reduced our range of focus again on the weekly to here, this range here. So on the daily now, the market is going to do two things on the daily. It's either, before we go all the way here, there's a level here that it has to break first. So if the market managed to break this level, then you know that, okay, the daily now, because the weekly has to respect the daily structure. So once the daily is broken, then we are going to the weekly level. If the weekly level is broken, we are going to the monthly level. Now if we go down to the lower time frame, like the 1 hour or the 4 hour, if the 1 hour or the 4 hour is broken, you know that, okay, we are going to the 4 hours level. So now we are here. You ask yourself that same question: where is the market? The market is here. And where is it coming from? It's coming from somewhere here. So where could this market reverse from? We have a level here, but let's focus on here now. So this is the high. But if this market, this is a retracement, we have a lower low and lower high now, right? As you have a lower low, lower high, lower low. So whatever is happening here, right, is a retracement. So this market can come all the way here. As long as this level on the daily, a candle has not closed above this, then we are still in a downtrend, right? Now, we've done that. Let's go down to our 4 hour. On the 4 hours, we have a level here. It's okay. So that means the market cannot just go straight to this daily level here. We have a 4 hour level here that has to be broken. So if the market gets here and it gives me a reversal sign, I'm taking another sell. I'm taking a sell to the downside. And if it closes, if the breaks and closes above, then I'm taking a buy from here to this level first. And if this level got broken, I'll start buying to the overall level, right? So you go down to your daily, your 1 hour time frame. You can mark out this level if you like. So this is how far you've come. Now let's go back to the monthly time frames. Let me show you something. You see that on the monthly, the level we drew on the 1 hour, the 4 hour is not showing here. Why? Because it's not necessary. Imagine having your 1 hour level, your 15 minutes level, your daily levels here on the monthly. It's not necessary to be confused. You confuse yourself. Now, when we now we are on the monthly time frame, we know the range. You don't need the 4 hour here, you don't need the 1 hour here. So even the weekly. So now go to your weekly. So okay, the weekly level is now here. Now you know what the market is doing, you know where you are in the market. You go to your daily. So okay, yeah, where are we? The market is on the daily. And where is this thing going? This could be a retracement to this level. So you can buy to this level and sell down. Okay, you go to your 4 hour. What's the market doing on the 4 hour? You have a level here that could serve as a resistance that will reverse this market downward again. The same thing, go down to the lower time frames. So guys, if you want me to show you how I do this, just drop in the comment section and then I will do a video explaining this to you. So let's just look at something quickly. Euro USD. I'm on this trade right now, but let's look at another. I took this trade from here. This is the same analysis, right? So let's look at another broker. Let's say FXCM. So I wouldn't want this video to be too long. So yeah, so on the monthly, the same thing. Where is the market? The market is here. Where is it coming from? It's coming from here. Where is it going to? You have a level here that the market can come to. So we go to your weekly time frame. Okay, the weekly time frame, where is it? Where are we? We have a level here that the market is coming. So before the market can come all the way to the monthly level, it has to first of all break the weekly level. So now we are here. And then you look your left. Where is the market? The market is here. So which level can serve as a support to this current downtrend? We have one here. So if the market comes here and gives us a reversal sign, we are buying. Go down to your daily time frame. On the daily time frame, oh, it's okay. This market cannot just reverse all the way to these levels straight up. You have a level on the daily that could serve as a resistance to reverse this market. So the market is either coming here or it will reverse from here to here first. Now we've established that, and then to your left you have a level that could serve as a support. So if you establish that, you go down to your 4 hour. Now the 4 hour, there are no much levels, it's not a significant level. So now on the 1 hour, I have this significant level. We are now seeing the level clearly. So before the market can come to the daily level, we have to first of all take out this 1 hour level. Once we are able to establish that, then so right now, as long as I'm concerned, I'm still looking for, depending, you can watch this depending on when you're watching this video, right? You can monitor this. If this market pulls back to here, we can look for entry confirmation and take another sell, right? So like I said, I'm not talking about entry here. If you want me to talk about the to show you how I enter my trade, then drop in the comment section. Then I'll talk about it in the next video. I wouldn't want this video to be too long. All right. So yeah. So right now on the 1 hour, we are looking for a retest, a retracement, and then we'll sell to the downside. So if the same thing I will see on the other time frame, see that the 1 hour level is not here. It's either it's coming here on the monthly or going here. On the weekly, it's either it's coming here or it's going here. On the daily, where's the current market price is here. It's either it's coming here or it goes here. 4 hour the same thing, 1 hour the same thing. So guys, this will be the end. I wouldn't want this video to be very long, to be too long. So if I want to drop in the comment section the currency pair that you would like me to analyze for you, and then I'll do that. Right. So don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop your comment. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and then I'll attend to it. Right. So yeah, guys, that will be the end of this video. Right. See you soon. Happy trading.